From bedroom to briefing room, unanga kwa secret love hijacks national security. Sanapenda mashoko ari kutireza panguva ino leaked audio inokonzi mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino au exposed aiwa nokuda kwevoice rinoonekwa kunzi aiwa ndere elady rinokwa kunzi raitotaura maissues ekustate security anyasi kunokwa panguva ino akukonzeresa chaos nyika yezimbabwe and security nombo subscribe wale on the bell yako timira panapa munomubuda nyika mchinzi. A sensational audio recording has surfaced online revealing a disturbing blend of sexual intimacy and high-level intelligence directives involving President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his long-time lover Rubidzai Rusere, a married deputy director in Zimbabwe Central Intelligence Organization (CIO). The leak has triggered widespread outrage and renewed calls for a formal investigation into the breakdown of executive authority and their politicization of national security. In the audio, Rusere can be heard giving explicit operational instructions while urging the president to act against the CIO Director General Fortune Mangwanya. She accuses Mangwanya of obstructing a covert operation targeting whistleblower and former CIO officer Richard Geza, along with citizen activist Gifford Gomwe, both linked to military-endorsed petition to retire Mnangagwa submitted on 21 May 2025. The voice note, reportedly authenticated by multiple CIO insiders, exposes a compromising overlap between the president's private relationships and the conduct of state intelligence operations. It reinforces long-standing concerns that critical institutions have been captured not by official command, but by proximity to Mnangagwa's personal life. This leak may represent the clearest proof yet of the erosion of presidential legitimacy, echoing warnings from the senior war veterans in the March that Zimbabwe has descended into a mafia-style regime where decision-making power lies outside official channels, often in the hands of romantic partners. Thomas Kwarkuda panguva ino anyasi kunokwa kunzi aiwa this audio yakonzeresa chaos panguva ino unoda kukuti pakubypassiwa kwaitiwa maformal structures and kwajikiwa kwaita national security vanhu vosara vane mubvunzo even iko security panguva ino vachiona chitiko chakada chiitika aiwa vachiona vachiva sidelined kana kuva hijacked vanosara pane mamwe maquestions anoona anozosara achionekwa kunzi aiwa haana mhinduro pamwe chete nekubetrayiwa. Mashoko ari kuda panguva ino atoona kuti the firebrand Pomshogeza akazvitaura aiwa muna March some months ago ataura mashoko achiti panguva ino decision making aiwa iri kuitiwa outside maofficial channels. Kuna comment section medu zofungura emoto kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe waleka to the bell icon.